Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the C.R. Lawrence number EH122 European style glass door hinge mounting plate. This is going to be used on their European style cabinet hinge, concealed sort of cabinet hinge, and this video is really going to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item, and plus whatever other information I can produce, hopefully a hinge type or part number that this would go with. This is going to be used on those applications where you have 3/16 to 1/4 inch glass and designed to secure those European style overlay or inset hinges to the cabinet wall. So this is what I understand to be a mounting plate, really, where you are going to mount this to your cabinet wall and then your hinge assembly attaches down to this because, and while I'm not an expert when it comes to concealed European style cabinet hinges, the base plates can be interchanged with different style articulating hinge assemblies to achieve different applications: inset, overlay, degrees of opening, partial overlay, full wrap, things of that nature. Dimensional properties. From the back side, overall width of the plate, about 1 5/8 inches. Overall height, 2 inch. Slotted holes for that adjustment, and then the screw, obviously, to hold the articulating or hinged portion of the hinge down. Now I'm going to pull up and see what we can determine about what hinge types this mounting plate or back plate is going to be used with. And I was able to determine from the manufacturer's catalog, and we're going to update our product description, that this mounting plate is going to be used with the EH202 or the EH204 overlay, 202 overlay, or the 204 inset hinge. And that really has everything to do with exactly where the door is positioned in relationship to the jamb or to the frame structure. And overlay is where the glass will come right over the face of the jamb. Inset is basically when it's flush with the outside. Okay, the hinge has to change because the vertical axis of pivoting needs to account for where exactly the glass is in relationship, whether it's inset or overlay. But this mounting plate is used regardless or independently of which of the two applications that you are using. Okay. The rest of that product brochure that's there will show you some ancillary products associated with this mounting plate. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the C.R. Lawrence products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. The name C.R. Lawrence is quite synonymous with many things, with practically everything as it relates to hardware when it involves glass doors, whether it be shower door enclosures or something like this hinge mounting plate that's likely to be used in a furniture or cabinet sort of application. On that link to the manufacturer's page, you'll find all of their top level categories, and you'll notice that they get into a lot more than just hardware for glass doors, architectural metals, aluminum storefront material, manual hardware for aluminum storefront hinges and door closers and things of that nature. And it goes on and on and on. Their footprint within the commercial building industry is, evidence of it is everywhere within the industry because of how many different product lines they get into. Any questions on the C.R. Lawrence EH122 mounting or backplate or any other C.R. Lawrence product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.